This is how my dog Maggie sleeps. I don't know if y'all can hear her snoring, but she's snoring. This is exactly how she always sleeps. She's snoring. It's funny. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can. She's out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit like and subscribe. And look at the rest of Maggie's videos. This is just funny. She's literally snoring asleep. That's how she sleeps all the time. She gonna start running in her sleep in a minute. She got her leg going. Have a good day. Bye.